Look at how reflective it is. Ooh, it can double as like one of those lighting things for my face. Oh my gosh, look at that difference. Hi friends! Welcome to this video of me unboxing what's already here right now, my 2021 M1 iPad Pro in the 12.9 inch, not 20 inch. 20 inch would be way too insane. That's like a monitor size. Holy shit. Actually, 20 inch will be bigger than my laptop. Yeah. Anyways, I am off topic. Oops, that's always me. So yeah, this video, as you can see from the title, is me unboxing this tiny little beast in the form of a 13-inch iPad. And currently it is August 14th, and I received this iPad in like sometime I think either June 15th, sometime between June 15th and June 20th. So yes, this video I unboxed my iPad. I got the 256GB option with the Apple Pencil 2. So totally it came out to about like almost $2,000 Canadian. So rip my wallet. And also other stuff happened. So even though I budgeted money for paying for this iPad, yeah, other stuff happened. So I'm actually in a really bad financial situation right now where I have to pay tuition soon. And I can cover for my living expenses, but like tuition, man, the life of a full-time university student. If you're a university student, you should let me know, because we can vibe and we can be friends, you know? Sorry, I'm so awkward. I still do not know how to film YouTube videos. Oh, actually, side note, this is something I discovered like last week, or technically 2 weeks ago. I shouldn't have bought my iPad so early. I should have bought it during when Apple hosts their student discounts for like back to school sale, because when you buy any of like the productivity machines like iPads or like MacBooks, you get fucking free AirPods. Okay, no shit. Shoot, I should not swear. You get freaking free AirPods if you get student discount. I did not know that until 2 weeks ago, and I'm just like, wow, so I spent $2,000 and I didn't get free AirPods. And I had to buy these like cheap AF ones on Amazon for like $40, because guess what? My Type-C headphones does not work for this thing. I tried my Type-C earbuds. I was like trying to listen to watch a video, of like, it doesn't work. I was like, oh, do I need to get another set of Bluetooth earbuds? Because I currently have one for my phone that's dedicated for my phone, because I use my phone a lot. And then also now I'm going to use my iPad a lot more. But my phone one cannot like connect to 2 devices at the same time. I can only connect one, and I don't want to break it from my phone. So like, looks like I'm getting new earbuds. TLDR, now's the best time to buy an iPad or MacBook if you're a student. So get the opportunity and you get free AirPods. Yes, free AirPods. Hey, let's pause for a second, and I'm just jumping in to remind you that it will mean the world to me if you could like my video and subscribe to my channel, as YouTube is something I'm doing for a passion, and all of your love and support will be very much greatly appreciated. Thank you, and let's move on to the video. And the lighting outside changed, but it's okay. Okay, no more rambling. Getting on to the rest of the video. So before we start with the final unboxing of the M1 iPad Pro, that costed me a leg and an arm. It was so fucking expensive. We are first gonna start off by unboxing my new monitor stand. And yes, I sped this footage up so that you don't have to sit through and watch me trying to figure this shit out for 10 minutes. What happened was my monitor, my LG monitor, has a curved base, and because of that huge curved base, my ghetto 3 layers of textbooks based monitor stand is just not sufficient enough. I actually almost knocked off my monitor like 3 different times, and it gave me such a big scare because my monitor is 4K. It's hella expensive. So that's why I decided that it's probably better to just buy like a monitor stand, and it just happens that IKEA has this super clean, minimal aesthetic one for so cheap, only 20 bucks Canadian. So yeah, I decided to buy it, and it just happened to come at around the same time as my iPad Pro, along with the cases I just ordered from Amazon. So yeah, we get a little bit of extra unboxing of a special and minimalistic monitor stand, and I'm just finishing the last bit of my new renewed desktop setup for my current bedroom workstation.